Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from SiteMate. Field and material orders are often rushed, missing key details, and can get delayed in approval and procurement, which impacts delivery schedules. With Dashpivot, you can easily create detailed purchase orders directly from the job site, road, or office. Let's have a look at how Dashpivot makes managing purchase orders simpler and more efficient. In Dashpivot, you can create a purchase order template entirely from scratch or choose from a public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates across various functions. Let's run a search at the top here for purchase, and as you can see, we have purchase order, purchase request, as well as purchase requisition form. So let's review the purchase order format before adding to your workspace, and keep in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. With the template ready in your account, you can start filling out these orders digitally. Our standard purchase order templates include fields such as text fields to log various information, date field, lists for shipping method, more date field, and then a table to log the items required. We also have a little summary just down the bottom here, which utilizes formula to auto-calculate what's been input in the big table above. We also have a sign-off at the end and yes/no question to verify whether the purchase order is approved. Once saved, the form will be shown in a workflow view sorted by approval stages like this. The workflow format here is suited for forms that have multiple stages, sections, or stakeholders involved, with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. For example, the Ordered By section, you might want to make sure that this notifies the creator just in case the form gets pushed back, while the second column might be more relevant to the finance team or specific people. This is to ensure that relevant people stay informed when they are needed. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature field within the template. So if I sign this as a requester, you see that this form is now moved to the second stage. All purchase orders are then automatically compiled into a register, where information within the forms are laid out in a table format like this. You can use filters that is available at the top to narrow down for specific information, and from here you can export your data as CSV or download as PDF files. Information captured for your purchase orders can also be analyzed further using our analytics module. This is accessible in both the home folder or within the subfolders. For example, I've set up a chart that's linked to the purchase order forms broken down by the workflow columns. Editing the template format is easy should you need to make changes. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your organization's needs. There are many different types of fields available for you to choose from, and you can rearrange any of these as you see fit. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and exclude in form cloning. And as you saw earlier, formulas can be implemented in the template editor here to automate calculations, display values, and more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary like what we have here, which reference the table above. Conditional logic can also be applied to fields like yes/no questions, lists, and the approval signature as indicated by this icon. This is to display more fields or requirements depending on the answer selected, such as this yes/no question. As for the approval signature, you can specify who is allowed to sign off or reset workflow at different stages. For example, the requester sign must be the person creating the form, while the approval sign is anyone with a certain level of permission. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. Purchase orders can be completed using mobile or tablet for easy access. The purchase orders are organized in a workflow just like on the web access. You can continue on with any of the existing forms or create a new one using the plus button. Once completed, you need to share a copy of this document with other people right away. You don't need to use your computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via an email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved, whether they're out in the field or in the office. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product Flowsight. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for purchase orders today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. That's it from me for this video. Thank you for watching.